Today we're going to show you how to best install the ThinkBoard on most common surfaces. Check out the video description below to see the list and time of different installs. Here are the tools you'll need: the ThinkBoard, a cloth, and a bit of water, preferably in a spray bottle. We like to put a credit card between our cloth for a super thorough application. There are two main techniques: wet and dry application. The wet application technique is very important for smooth, finished surfaces like glass, refrigerators, countertops, and plastic surfaces. First, wet and clean the surface. Make sure to get rid of anything that makes the surface bumpy. Spray or spread some water on the surface and gently peel the ThinkBoard off of its backer. Lay it onto the surface and use the cloth to press down the center of the ThinkBoard, then make a cross. Create a vertical line, then a horizontal line, and fill in the rest with one overlapping stroke at a time. Feel free to adjust the ThinkBoard as necessary. Wipe the surface and you're good to go. As we said, this application method works with any super smooth surface. Here it is again using the same steps but on a larger ThinkBoard. Clean, spray, lay it down, cross, clean. Not all surfaces are good to get wet. If you're installing a ThinkBoard onto a typical wall or even slightly textured surface, you can follow basically the same steps as the wet apply, just don't spray down the surface before installing. Here's an example. First, gently clean the surface. Remove any bumps or extra texture that you can. With the help of a friend, remove the backer. Line up the ThinkBoard, gently drape the ThinkBoard onto the surface. Make a cross pattern. Smooth out the rest of the corners. Here's another dry application. Same steps, smaller board. Here's a few more for reference. Alright, if you've got any more questions, reach out to us via the live chat on our website or shoot us an email at hello@thinkboard.com.